Is Jellyfin Project reporting the Jellyfin XMLTV module DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. Ensure your Jellyfin XMLTV module environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the Jellyfin XMLTV module, a specialized library for the Jellyfin media server that manages the localized parsing of XMLTV Electronic Program Guide (EPG) data. If missing, the live TV section in Jellyfin will fail to display show schedules or will crash when attempting to refresh guide data. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Errors related to Jellyfin XMLTV module DLL often mean the internal Jellyfin project configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Jellyfin XMLTV module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. A quick warning, many sites offering Jellyfin XMLTV module DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing Jellyfin XMLTV module dependencies. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Jellyfin XMLTV module today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.